Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essential systems, repair status, fuel, and landing computer health. Once checked, open the navigation HUD and lock the station or target ship as your destination. This ensures waypoint guidance. Make sure your cargo or crew panels are secured so no loose animations interfere. As you approach, switch to external camera to read ship orientation easily and gently engage approach throttle. Use small burns to match vector rather than full thrust to avoid overshooting. Now focus on precision. Reduce relative velocity and match your vector to the target, aiming for under 10 meters per second as you enter the docking corridor. Once in range, target the specific docking port or hangar and request docking through the comms panel or HUD. The game cues permission and assigns a slot. Follow the on-screen alignment guides, the conical approach, green bars, and distance readouts, making incremental thruster corrections until the HUD confirms lock and opens the final approach lane. For the final phase, enter the assigned corridor and reduce throttle to a controlled hover. The auto-dock sequence will engage if alignment is correct. Make sure to power down non-essential systems and confirm the ship switches to docked status before opening doors. If something goes wrong, permission denied, misalignment, or collision, abort immediately, back away 50 to 100 meters, reset your comms or landing computer, then re-request docking permission, and repeat the approach slowly to re-establish a clean lock.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.